My name is Paul Olsen with Company Broker Group in Denver, Colorado, and I'm real excited to see you at Win the Storm. The reason you guys work so hard to grow your business is about the family. It's all about the family. So I brought my family here today. I got Madeline Olsen and Evie Olsen. And so it's all about the family, and that's the reason I work so hard, and you do too. The main goal of growing a business over 10 or 20 years is you grow it and grow it and grow it, but you really don't know the value of it and how to value it and how to sell it and how to sell it quickly and quietly, and making sure that your customers and employees and suppliers don't learn of the sale until well after the sale. But the most important thing is to get the biggest check of your life from a very strong and qualified buyer, number one. Number two is to be able to sell it quickly. You don't want it languishing on the market for months and months and years, and most importantly, confidentially, being able to sell it, as I said earlier, confidentially. My goal in this expo is to have you understand how to sell a business and prepare it for sale to get the largest check of your life. I'm Paul Olsen with Company Broker Group, Denver, Colorado, and I will see you at Win the Storm.